The man is playing his brand new game console, but the very next second, Mario suddenly jumps straight out of the screen. The guy completely freaks out. He quickly grabs the manual to check, but the manual says nothing about this. Then Mario jumps onto the table and punches the cola over. The man tries to grab him, but Mario bolts straight into the bedroom. He starts bouncing like crazy on the bed. Then he hides under the bed playing peekaboo. He even stomps a massive hole in the brand new desk. The man finally loses it. He pulls out a pistol to take him out, but shot after shot misses. Mario dodges every single one. Then Mario jumps next to the computer and freezes. The man thinks this is his chance, but the magazine is empty. Mario kicks the computer and smashes it. Furious, the man hurls the pistol at him. Mario easily dodges it again. Watching Mario wreck the whole house, the man grabs a baseball bat. He's ready to finish this fight, but right then Mario gets sleepy and lies down. The man gets insanely excited. He swings the bat down hard. Then he smacks him 5 or 6 more times. He wraps him up in the bedsheet and throws him straight into the trash can. Just when the man is about to relax, something crazy happens again. Mario comes back completely unharmed. The man chases after him and